So as a YouTube content creator, I think most of us out there are well aware of how important views and subscribers are. And for some of us out there, that is the main thing that we chase. However, if you are brand new to YouTube and you're kind of struggling with this whole views and subscribers thing, first and foremost, I understand. As somebody's been doing YouTube for many years now, producing more than 1,000 plus videos, and then not getting the type of views and subscribers that I was hoping for, I definitely feel your pain. However, if you are going to be doing this for the long term, I kind of want you to take a different approach. So behind every view is a person, and sometimes bots. But at the end of the day, if you actually approach it that way, where it is a person viewing your video, viewing your content, engaging with you, then it really changes a lot of things. So just think about how you do this in the real world, because when you're talking to an AI on your phone, that is a lot different versus talking to a real person. And so whenever you are creating content and you're seeing these views, and then you change your focus from it is a view or subscriber to an actual person, it really changes the way that you actually approach your content, the way that you approach your communications, and also the way in which you view yourself. Because I really feel that's what's going to keep you going and doing this for the long term. And despite whether or not you're going to have the quote-unquote success that you wanted, at the end of the day, you are creating content for people, not only people watching, but also yourself. You're building relationships, and I think that's probably the best thing that you could get out of it. And so next time when you're looking at these views and subscribers, look at it as a person versus a number. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my YouTube tutorials, tips, and tricks, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave in the description area below or up here. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.